Tara, game!
Nila talaga ha?
Ah, mamaya.
Okay, all zero. Patrick, pinasa Jason. No good. Rebound by Justin.
Justin, pinasa. Uy! Patrick.
Wow, ganda ng pasa kay Parga. 2 points. Score 0-2.
Mel. Sir Ray, 2 points. Score all 2.
Patrick, pinasa kay Parga. Pinalik kay Paul. Jason, no good.
Sayang, pinasa sa kawalan.
Patrick, no good.
Mel, dire-diretso, nawala bola. Justin, rebound by Parga.
Uy, bad pass.
Mel. Diretso na, pinasa pa. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. No good by Justin.
Jason, pull up. Jason, no good. Rebound by Michael. Score 2-4.
Jobs. Pinasa kay Mel. Mel. Pinasa kay Bautista. No good. Rebound by Justin. 2 points. Score all 4.
Patrick, pinasa kay Parga. Dumiretso, pinasa kay Michael. No good, sayang.
Mel, kung ganda ng pasa ni Mel. Uy, sayang lang.
Lumuwa. Jason, oh! Naninibago pa.
Pull up by Jobs. No good. Rebound by Jobs. Pinasa kay Mel.
Bad pass.
Bautista to Mel. Binal ko kay Bautista. 2 points. Score 6-4.
Patrick, pinasa kay Michael. No good. Rebound by number 8. Foul. Time remaining 6 minutes 25 seconds. Patrick, no good. Rebound by
Jobs, pinasa kay Bautista. 2 points. Score 8-4.
Patrick, no good.
Pinasa kay Mel. Diretso na kaya. Pinasa pa sa
Overpassing.
Number 8, 2 points. Score 8-6. Ang dami pong pasa. Uy! Score 10-6. Varga Cruz. Kala ko yung teardrop. Pinasa kay Justin. Justin, 2 points. Score 12-6. Ang ganda nung pasang pa. 12-8. 2 points by Mel. Score 14-8. Varga, no good. Jump. Pull up. Is no good. Rebound by Varga. Varga, dire-diretso. Uy, pinasa pa. Uy, sayang. Tatlo sila. Sayang. Uy, nawala po bola. Nakuha pa ni Justin. Justin, 2 points. Score 16-8. Varga serving the floor. 10 to shoot. Uy! Nawala yung bola. Pinasa pa Bautista. No good. Rebound by Justin. Easy 2. Score 18-8. 4 minutes remaining. Paul. No good. Rebound by Justin. Napasa pa kay Melo. Bumali pa. Score 28. Oh, hindi na kayo po. Mel. Rebound by Sir Ray. Ray, 2 points. Score 22-8. Nakakarami na si Sir Ray. 12 to shoot. Five seconds. Jason. No good. Juliana, good. Okay. 24-8. May foul counted po tayo. Last 3 minutes. Tawag lang po agad. Hindi pa. Mahaba pa po, 3 minuto pa. Rebound by Sir Ray. Good po, good. Labas muna po, labas lang. Okay, game. Mukhang madulas ang bola. Sir Ray, pull up. Rebound by Michael. Michael, pinasa kay Pat. Uy! Sayang. Jump. Dumediretso, pinasa kay Bautista. Malakas lang, sayang. Pero diretso. Good po yan ah. Nice. Uy! Bad pass. 2 minutes remaining. Two points by Justin. Score 26-8. Jason 3. Umpisa na kaya. Justin, pinasa kay Bautista. Blanca ni Michael. Varga, no good. Rebound by Justin. Pinasa kay Mel. Pinasa pa kay Sir Ray. Sir Ray. No good. Rebound by Mel again. No. Rebound by Poblete. Jason, in his spot. Last 1 minute. Yun lang. Oras, 54 seconds. 54 seconds. 54 seconds remaining. 24 to shoot. Poblete. Poblete. No good. Rebound by Jax. Jax, dire-diretso. Sayang, inintay yung bola. Last 30 seconds. Paul. Pull up. No good. Last 23 seconds. Mel. Last 15 seconds. Pinasa Jason, 2 points. Last 9 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3.2 seconds. 3.2 seconds. 2 seconds. And game na po yan, ha? Still, na-anticipate to Sir Ray. Mel! Oy! Sir Ray! Nakakalampoy. Akala ko makakaisa. Okay, pushing si Mel. Okay, rebound. Nakuha pa ni Poblete, Jason. Jason! No good. Rebound by Poblete. Kuha ni Sir Ray. Sir Ray. Pinasa kay Justin. Nice take by Justin. Oy, sayang. Sayang yun, ah. Varga. Ano, nagkasundo na? Patrick, no good. Rebound. Mel, kinaliwa. Score 38-28. Paul, easy 2. Score 15-28. Ang lakas ng rebound na yun. Varga. $14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Bad pass. Libre si Sir Ray. 2 points. Score 15-30. Rebound by Mike. Uy! Nablangka lang ng ilalim. Whoa! Score 15-32. Ang lalim ng pagkakahugot na yun. Mel, dire-diretso. Lakas lang. Nakuha ni Justin. Jump! Ang ganda. 5 seconds. Justin! Uy, kala ko makaka-press. Wow! Uy! Ah, wait lang, may bola pa dyan.
Tulas yun.
Wait lang, wait. Palit daw ng bola. Pre, check nyo yun. Punasan lang. Aka na. Paabot nga, pre. Ayun, try. Basa.
Kasi kanina nagmadadang ko na eh. Tulas lang eh.
Score 17-32. Jab bola. No good.
Hindi lumalabas pag didikit. Oh, pinasa kay Jason. Jason. No good. Rebound kay Jason. Pinasa kay... Oy, ang lakas lang ang tira ni Poblete. Mel. Sinalaksak ni... Grabe po yun. 17-34. All no good. Nice cut by Mel. Tapos lang. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Mark, oy, na-anticipate talaga ng kalaban. Bautista, oy! 17-36. Michael. Patrick 3. Suwabing-suwabe. Steal by Michael. Michael, nabawi niya rin. Score 22-36. Whoa! Score 22-38. Varga. Foul pala yun. Jason 3. Score 25-38, 13. Baba pa po ha. Yun lang. Napabayaan. 25-40. Jason! Uy! Kala ko dalawang sunod na yun ha.
Jab. Jab. Tinatantyak. Pumula up. Pull up. Jab. Point. Michael.
Varga, ganda ng pasa. Ang lalim-lalim lang po. Nalunod sa lalim yun. Oh, nice fake. Oh, uy. Strong shot. Sir Ray, veterans move. Score 25-44. No good by Jason. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Oh, na sobrang po yata. Grabe naman sa pasahan. Ubus na yung 24 hours. Score 25-46. Kung may 8 seconds yun, 8 seconds. 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Justin, pinasa kay Parga. Parga! Okay. Oy! Ang alat po talaga nila. Pinasa pa kay Mel. Grabe.
Binababa pa. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Ball, serving the floor. Pinasa kay Parga, pinasa kay Jason. Jason, 3. 28-48. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Sir Ray, rebound. Wow! Ang alat po talaga nila. Ganda po ng pasahan. 28-50. Paul. Nice. Tagun-tago yung bola. Okay. Nadali ni Michael. Michael, oy! Pasa pala yun. Jason. No good. Kinakalawang lang. Nice. 30-52. Yun lang, hindi nakita. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Whoa! Justin, ang lakas lang talaga. 58 seconds. Kinaliwa ni Parga, sayang. Maalat po talaga. Wow! Nag-exhibition pa po sila. Bautista, no good. Rebound by Mel. 10 to shoot. Kung ganda naman ng ano, pangit lang yung pasa, sayang. Last 25 seconds. Score, 25. 1 minute difference sa shot clock. 19 seconds. 12 seconds. Free throw, dalawa. Oo. Umabol pa ng free throw yun, ha? Ha? Mamaya magsashuffle ako. Okay, dalawang free throw yan, dalawang free throw. Okay, last 8 seconds. Jason, 3.
4 points.
Kung may 4 points, 4 points yun eh. 2 seconds ha. Okay.